And hello and welcome to another exterior video where I work on my truck. Sometimes I'm successful, sometimes I'm not. So in today's video I actually have a small issue that I just found when I came from work, and that's what I'm working on right now. Thankfully it's nothing major. I already found the issue and now I'm just gonna try to work on it and fix it up. So let me get closer over there and try to show it to you. It's kind of hard to see over there, but still I'm gonna try to do my best. So as you can see, I have my truck with the hood open, and you probably noticed there is a little spot over there. And sure enough, today when I came back, I noticed there is a little spot and I got worried a little bit. So I started looking into it, what's the deal? And that's actually my coolant is leaking from somewhere. So luckily I already found where it's coming from. If you can see over there, I'm pointing my light on that very rusty clamp. So basically I guess it gave out, and you can see a coolant slowly dripping along the side of it, and it's coming on an oil catch lip over there, and that's where it's been coming from. So I'm just gonna swap that out for a new clamp, probably the one like that with a bolt from that old one, and hopefully that will fix the issue. But what looks like on this side, this might go out pretty much soon as well, and over here as well. This line over here looks really bad. So that one, I don't even know where it's going, but that has to be addressed at some point. Yeah. So now I'm just gonna change that clamp over there, and hopefully that will fix the issue. Alright guys, so I took the old one out. It's actually all rusted. It has no tension in it at all. It was broken, so that came out easy. I didn't film it because it's hard to see in there as it is, and to film it doesn't make any sense. So now I'm just gonna put a new one, this one. So now I know that I need to take care of all of my old clamps because they are giving out. Alright guys, so the new clamp is in over there, so hopefully that will fix my issue. But now I have to get more clamps so I can change them over there. It's kind of scary even to touch this, especially that. I need to look where that's going, and maybe I need to replace the whole metal part over there, the metal tubing. And actually what I've been thinking to change these clamps, the ones I put over here for radiator, all these type clamps for factory clamps, the one you just put it on like this but bigger, you know. I think those work better, because to be honest, I had to already tighten these straps already 2 times over the period of time that I changed my radiator. So yeah, but now, just for now, I'm gonna put everything back together. I'm gonna buy more clamps and see, maybe I will replace those, or maybe leave it as it is for now. I don't know, we'll see. But anyways, always keep track of your stuff, always check on your clamps, all your connections from time to time. It's always good to keep track of it. So on this note, I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you might find it helpful, and until next time, everybody, bye.